Ready, set, go.
Okay, hurry.
It's a box.
What is it? Do you guys know what it is?
It's a box. It's a box.
Shakina, what is yours? You know what it is. What is it?
A violin.
Noah, what is yours?
That's no.
Noah.
Stop it. That's so
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, let me open. Okay.
Oh, dang it. That's not a trumpet.
Open. What do you mean? No, that's trumpet.
Ew.
It's a pop.
What is it?
Hey, what?
Some Simon. Wait a second, is this even my violin?
Wait a minute. Where's the violin?
You tape this closed, Daddy. I
Huh?
see it. You tape this closed. You put something in it too.
What do you mean?
Where is our violin?
Inside. Look inside.
There's something violin in it.
What?
All right, so now you have to hunt for your presents.
You gotta hunt for it.
So you guys took it out. I got everything.
It's not in there. It's inside this room right here.
It's somewhere in here.
In here.
Hot.
Go find it.
Tell us where hot is cold.
There they are. Here you go.
I'm like, why is there a bunch of salmon in there?
Took it from the stupid story it is. Got us all excited and you knew that would happen.
Okay.
You don't want Simon for Christmas?
Okay, yeah, hold on. Let me
Get
no,
that.
that's mommy. That's mommy. So give it to mommy. Okay, now put all the trash inside that box now.
I think that's my big present. It's a big present. And it's not good. It was really not. Oh,
Push it down.
Yeah.
it down.
Okay, let's continue on.
Push that little button down,
A bunch.
Tina. Push it down. Down. Like towards the bottom.
Okay, hold on. Kina, don't mess it up.
Oh, look, and it gave us some,
For the,
it gave us some Smarties.
let's see it. Put the mouthpiece on and play it.
Okay.
Play Joy to the World.
Okay, is that yours? No, that's Daddy's. Okay, this is yours.
A bigger present.
This one's kind of weird. It's better.
It's what?
Hey! You don't do that. That's not how you play a
You can do
violin.
it. Noah.
I need a new mouthpiece.
Noah, let me see.
It's hard to play.
Yeah.
You got it. So we're ready.